Good morning, all the students of third standard, and we are learning seventh lesson of our third standard, that is festivals of India. In this lesson, we are learning. In this lesson page number 38 is going, and in the on the page number 38, we have studied the information about the Diwali festivals, how we celebrate Diwali here by making the preparations or by cleaning the houses, shops, by doing the pujas, preparing the sweet dishes, distributing, wearing the new clothes, because this day has a special importance. There's on this day, Lord Rama he returned from the 14 years exiles to Ayodhya. So lightning scandals is also there on this day. Women make a colorful designs called rangoli in front of their houses. There's while celebrating this festival, Diwali festivals, in each, in each and every mm, in each and every houses, that in front of their houses they design the colorful rangoli in front of the houses. There's children's burst firecrackers is also important characteristic of the features this to celebrate their joy. Now Diwali means there we overjoyed, we are always we are waiting. So Diwali means we get the chance to be use or to burst the firecrackers this during the time of Diwali there. Most of the children they like this. Businessmen and the traders celebrate Diwali by worshipping Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth, and those who are the businessmen, those who are the traders, shopkeepers, they too also have the special importance of the Diwali in their life. This day they celebrate by worshipping the goddesses Lakshmi's theirs in their shops. Puja they perform that. This is the symbols of the growth and accelerate of their business and the money or economy there. For the purpose for this, they worships to please the goddesses Lakshmi. They worship their in their shops their goddesses Lakshmi. Lakshmi, she is the goddesses of wealth. The Hindus' New Year begins on the next day. Padwa is there. So from the Padwa, Hindu New Year, Marathi New Years, or our culture's New Year's begin is started from the next day of Diwali, that is the Padwa day. From there, according to the Hindu culture, so the traditions New Year started, and nowadays which New Year we follow, that is January. Christians calendar we follow there. So from January it is New Year's. So this we follow, but the Hindu New Year calendar started from the after the means second day of Diwali. Now next point, that is Eid ul Fitr. This is the next one point. There's or the next one festivals, religious festivals is an important festivals of the Muslims there. Eid ul Fitr, it is important one for the Muslim festival. It is celebrated at the end of the holy month of the Ramzan. When the Ramzan month is completed, ended, that at the end of the Ramzan month this festival is celebrated. This festival also has an important one in the Muslim religions. There's Ramzan is also holy month, like same way we celebrate the Shravan month is a holy for the Hindus there, like same way Ramzan is also important there. So at the end of the Ramzan month they celebrate this festival there. The Muslims offer namaz or prayer in the mosque, that in the dargahs there they offer prayer or the namaz there to be worship, to pray their God there. So they offer the prayer namaz in the mosques. They wish each others Eid Mubarak, and after the offering the prayer or the namaz, they wish to each other. They greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak to each and everyone. A sweet called Sevaya is also prepared on this occasion. Sweet dishes they prepares on this occasion. Sevaya also they prepare that, and they distribute. They call their relatives, their mm, dearest nearest persons to them, they call in their homes to celebrate these festivals. They distribute the sweets, and they also greet to one another, to each others, by saying the Eid Mubarak. So next festival, religious festival, that is a Christmas. Christmas also has importance in our India. These festivals, some school they get holidays during the time of the Christmas. Also 5-10 days holidays they get during the time of Christmas. Every year 21st December is celebrated as a Christmas day. Every year 25 December Christmas day celebrated. That holidays also there's Christmas marks the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ on the 25th of December, and this day has a special important one, that 25 December is celebrated as a Christmas day. This is the birth date of Jesus Christ. So to remember his birthday, they Christians people, they celebrate his birthday as a Christmas day. People attend church for the midnight mass, sing a chorus, carols, and exchange the gift there. And so Christian people they celebrate these festivals, religious festivals. They attend the meetings there. They attend a midnight masses meeting at the church for the prayer there, sing songs there. They exchange the gifts, articles there, and along with that, small children they wait for the Santa Claus to bring gift for them. Santa Claus is also this. So this Santa Claus he brings gift for the childrens there, small children. So the children they waited for the Santa Claus, when their Santa Claus will come and when he will give gift for them. So the small children they waited, and Santa Claus he wear the colorful dresses and he brings gift for the small children there. People wish one another Merry Christmas, and along with that, the people those who are celebrating this festival they wish one another, they greet one another by saying Merry Christmas. So this day, Christmas is also has an important one there. See the next one there. Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Mahashivratri are the festivals which are celebrated all over the country. Janmashtami. Janmashtami means here it is considered, or here it is called as a Sri Krishna Janmashtami. Ganesh Chaturthi, that is Lord Ganesha's there, Ganpati, Ganesh Chaturthi, and Mahashivratri. So these festivals are also have the special importance. They are celebrated all over the country, all over the India. Special landmark importance is there about these festivals. Sri Krishna Janmashtami, Gokulashtami also we called the Hiyandi Gopalkalas there. They perform their Ganesh Chaturthi, Lord Ganesha's arrival is there. Lord Ganesha he comes for the 11 days there, or in some family for the 5 days. So special importance arriving of the Lord Ganesha there. And Mahashivratri, it is in the summer, in the February, March, April. At that time, Mahashivratri festivals we celebrate that. Shivratri is puja also there. Lord Shankar or Mahadev's. So these festivals are celebrated all over the country with a great joy and happiness. So tomorrow, in the tomorrow's video when we'll come there, then tomorrow we'll see in detail about these festivals, about the Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, or the Mahashivratri. About them we'll see in detail. Okay, so till at that time you revise this lesson. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.